If you've been trying to build a digital business, but it feels like nothing's working, no matter how many resale rights you buy or how many Canva templates you grab for $1 on Etsy, this is for you. Because let's be honest, you don't have a business. You have a collection of other people's products. You have a mismatched brand that doesn't even feel like you. You've been told to niche down. You've been told to follow the trends, to keep buying the next offer, and you keep hoping that this one's the magic one. Let me be the one to say it. That strategy is not a strategy, and that's why you're still stuck. I'm not saying that to shame you. I'm saying that because I've been you. Buying what everyone else is buying, rebranding every 3 months, building things I wasn't even proud to post about. But when I finally got clear on what made me powerful, when I stopped hiding behind other people's branding and started owning my voice and my vision, that's when everything changed. That's when I finally found my groove and built another 6-figure brand. I've done this same exact strategy before with other 6 and 7-figure brands as well, all starting over from scratch, from zero. And if you don't know Ness yet, let me tell you, she's not just a paid ads expert. She's a marketing powerhouse who scaled multiple digital brands to 100K and even 200K months. She's helped thousands of entrepreneurs stop winging it and start scaling with strategy. And when it comes to turning a product into profit, she's one of the best in the game. And now Ness and I have built a 6-figure brand together that did 25K in just 24 hours and almost 200K in under 6 months. Because we don't just sell, we know how to build brands that move people, brands that convert, brands that run on automation and strategy, not trends. That's what Grow from Zero gives you. It's the real blueprint, not a copy-paste funnel, not someone else's dream that you slap your logo on. This is your brand, your voice, your products done right. We teach you how to scale with organic content and paid ads. We teach you how to create offers that actually sell. We show you how to set up your systems so that you can make money while you're living your best life, not chained to a laptop, begging for sales in the DM. And the best part, you don't need a niche. You don't need a massive audience. You don't even need to be ready. You just need to be done playing small. But you already know this because you're watching this, so you already know there's more in you. If you're tired of building everyone else's brands but your own, if you're ready to finally make this real, this is the moment. This is the strategy. This is the course. Let's grow, let's scale, let's build that brand you were meant for, and finally make it pay you like one. Get inside Grow from Zero. This is the one that changes everything.